Up for sale, 1942 Chevy pickup. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 42 Chevy pickup, finished in black and blue. Blue interior. Original drivetrain, frame off restored. And as always, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course, we'll start here in the front on the bumper, which without a doubt is original to the car. And it looks like it was polished to keep it original. I was also told this is an option. I'm not really sure what it is, but I feel like it's stupid to say it, but it looks kind of cool there. The only thing on the truck that wasn't touched, you got to keep something original, is the front grille, because it was in a nice original condition for something from 1942. So there's a little bit of, marking on it. But like this has been redone. The back bumper is new. They also have the visor, same thing. Looks like it was sandblasted and polished. That's super, super cool. Those are very expensive. Again, like I said, steel body all the way around. Steel down there as well on the running boards. You got the baby moons with the little steel wheel. And Coker Classic tires. There's 169 miles on the frame off restoration. I have what we believe is the original title for the car as well. Might be the original plates. And a little photo album of some of the pictures that were, throughout time. Let me go ahead here. I want to pop. Let me show you the pictures. A little bit of dust on the car from sitting here. But very, very nice paint all the way around. You see a little footprint down there. From getting it. Paint is super nice. This is nice here. Nice fitment down. You got the little guard there as well. This trim looks very nice. You see a little touch up here, like it rubbed at some point. This happens with the design of the grille, or the hood, I should say. So I actually do need two hands for this. Give me 1 second. There's a little latch. You see it here. Only for this side. But look, very nice. Radiator looks nice. Hoses look nice. They got a little old school wiring in there as well. Carburetor. Nice firewall as well. But I like the little support, because if you got to toy around with the carburetor, you don't have to hold it open. And it's a little Carter carburetor as well. So we'll shoot on over to the other side. Even this is finished nice. You see all nice in there as well. We'll go here. Pretty much show you the same thing. Paint is super, super nice. I love the black and the blue combination, like a bruise. Again, here you see a couple little touch-ups. Again, it's just going to happen from experience, and owning these things, you tend to learn sooner than later. I'll hold this up real quick, show you a little glimpse of that. Nice firewall, nice in there, nice down there as well. You see the components. So let me just lower this back down very, very carefully, and lock her up. But anyway, we will go down the driver's side of the car first. I've already showed you this. Other than a little bit of dust on here from sitting, actually, give me 1 second. Alright, I wanted to wipe it off for you so you can get a better idea. Looks nice. Painted as well, painted steel as well. You see how nice the finish is in there. Super, super nice. And you see the bed here. A little bit of dust again. Very nice. Very cool. And I'll show you the bed while I'm here. Wood bed, painted black, matches the exterior of the car. Very cool. One thing I do love is how nice the doors fit up. So nice. The fitment, the alignment, all the way around. The easy, right there as well, all the way to the bottom. How perfect that is. The only thing I do see, you see right up here, maybe a couple like pimples in the paint. Do you see that? You might not even see it. That's how minor there. There you go. Right there. Again, No cracks in the glass. It's an electric wiper now, which is pretty cool. The wind is stronger than the door. You see how nice it is in there. If you can get a good look at that, the steel of it, all the way up and over. Paint in there is very nice. New seat, of course. New floor mat. A little hard to get everything in one shot here, so let me try my best. Beautiful paint up here. Factory gauges. You see the 169 and 4, so it'll probably be 170 by the time we're done. See the heater box down there. Let me show you this. I got 2 Michigan plates. A little photo booklet for the car, truck. See? Look at that. Some other stuff. All right. Which is pretty cool. Okay. And then here's something super interesting. The title, or the car, the truck, is believed to have been sold new in 1948. Now, 42, you know, during the war, maybe they didn't buy it. And it didn't leave the lot until 48. This is kind of interesting. So there's that. And then the owner who bought it in 48 owned it all the way until 2018, and that's when the restoration was started on the truck. You see nice glass up there as well. And so it's about, you know, 4-ish year old restoration. Again, not too many blemishes on the truck. Professionally done as well. You can see it. It's, you know, very nice all the way around. I'll show you this back bumper here. Definitely a new bumper. Just a little smudge here, but that's from cleaning. But you see here how nice that is. These are very nice as well in here that you see, definitely original. Tailgate looks nice as well. A little bit of orange peel on it, but I know that kind of stuff happens. And some marks for these little latches on both sides. Again, all steel. Nice finish in there. And again, look at that fitment on this door, going all the way up. Apologize for the wind. Mark right there. And again, same deal here. Look how nice the hem is. There you go. All the way up. Right out today. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 42 Chevy pickup. Original drivetrain, frame off restored. It's just about going to be 170 miles on the restoration. Underneath, very nicely painted. I do a picture of that. It's a stainless steel single exhaust with a little cherry bomb muffler on it, so it's got a nice sound to it. And yeah, let me just take one little lap around, see if there's anything I missed. I know I mentioned a couple marks that have been touched up around the hood latches, stuff like that makes sense. Of course, you know, no rust underneath the truck, no rust on the truck. Wood bed. I think I got everything. So at this time we are going to, actually, you know what? You see right here a couple little marks in the paint. At this time we are going to fire it up and then take a ride, hear it run, and see it go down the road. Thank you. What you hear it run. They're loading over there, so we have to move it. Smooth this out.